Ladies and gentlemen, how you guys doing today? It is greatness, and just in case you did not know, I am destined for greatness. So ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you guys how to plan your week in the forex market. Essentially, you're going to look in the market now while the market is closed to see what the market is doing, or you have an idea of what the market is doing, so you can just follow what the market is telling you. So we're about to hop on the computer. I'm going to try to do a little face cam. I'm going to try to put the camera off to the side so you guys can see me on the computer doing it as well. But if that doesn't work out, you at least have the audio, and I'll put some music behind it. So I think this is going to be a great video for you guys. I'm going to try to keep it nice, short, and sweet. If you want to check out any of my merch, Greatness brand, I will put the link below. Please, you don't have to support me, but you are greatness, and when you're wearing greatness, you do the math on that one. So ladies and gentlemen, let's hop on the desktop computer right now. So ladies and gentlemen, I did switch up the camera angle on you guys. Please let me know what you think. I'm gonna be in a little box here, but I kind of want to get a better angle for you guys while I'm looking at the computer here. So right now, as you can see, we are on GBP CHF, which stands for British Pound Swiss Franc, if you do not know that. As you can see, we're currently on the 15-minute chart. Let's go to the 2 hours. This is the setup right here that I'm looking at that I know that can make you some money. It's as simple as that. You just have to see what the market is going to do, because if you look, you can see that right here. If you look at the grand, we're on a downtrend, but the grand scheme of things, we are on an uptrend, because this was the root right here. So this was the root of the uptrend. It has not even been close to being broken. It has passed through Fibonacci 618, and it is going up. From this is still the lowest low. Well, from here, this is the highest all the way up. So I've still used this point, and it's still rolling within the Fibonacci here. So look, price jumped up to Fibonacci 0.5, bounced to 786, Fibonacci 0.786, which is a popular retracement zone. So I know if it bounced off here, the market is going to do the same thing. That's why I have these in red and these in yellow, because these are the golden zones, but these are also your, the next best retracement zone that you can have, essentially. And so look, it already hit it right before the market closed. It hit Fibonacci 382 and bounced up. So what you need to do, go on a 15-minute chart, wait for a retest, and get back in. Now you have to understand that you have to have your stop losses in play. Everything, like my stop loss would be up here somewhere, like right below the 0.5, because either way, you just have to wait. Just wait for it to tell you what the market's going to do. You know what I'm saying? You can sell here too, but listen, all trading is, ladies and gentlemen, is this simple. All trading is you doing what the market is telling you it's going to do. It can bounce off Fibonacci 382 and bounce up, and I can catch the buy, or it can break through Fibonacci, go up, test 382, and bounce down to the 0.50. Either one, you have to be ready for that. And that's what you have to understand with the forex market. Do not come in with a bias. I will buy or sell right here. It doesn't matter to me. I'm just waiting for the market to tell me what it's going to do. So when the market opened back, that's 12:13 right now. So the market opened back up around 5:30. I can, monitor it, look in, but 3 a.m., you just go and you just look. And just do what the market is telling you. Do what the market is telling you. That's as simple as that. I mean, you just look. Like I said, I broke it down for you guys. I hope it's not too fast for you guys to understand, but you can see clearly that we're on an uptrend all the way up. So you see that. With that being said, look, we've hit all the way to the top, and now it's retracing back down. Bouncing off 382, it's just that easy. You can't overcomplicate it, and I don't want to overcomplicate it for you guys. I can tell you guys about these lines. These are my EMAs, and essentially what an EMA is the average close of a certain amount of candles. So for instance, this blue line is the average close of the last 8 candles. This red line is the average close of the last 21 candles, and the yellow line is the average close of the last 55 candles. So essentially, if price is below it, you're looking to sell. If price is above it, you're looking to buy. So like I said, I want to get on this buy, but price is still below all of this. So you go to the 2-hour chart. If I go to the 2-hour chart, I can still see that we're still in a quote-unquote downtrend, but it's really an uptrend. It's going to bounce off 382. It's just that you gotta let price action. So on a 15-minute chart, this would be like a scalp. You could probably scalp up to here to 786, but you're not gonna go all the way there. Scalp to here, it's gonna come down to 5.50, and then I feel like it's gonna bounce all the way back up. And it's that simple, ladies and gentlemen. Do not overcomplicate trading. Do not do it. Just keep it simple and do what the market is going to tell you to do. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I mean, that's the video. Like I said, I wanted to keep it nice, quick, easy, and simple. I'm gonna go ahead and stop this recording right here. I hope you guys real deal enjoyed that video. More videos are definitely on the way. I'm slowly getting to it. This is my passion. I really do love forex, and I really do want to teach people that you can change your life with a market like this. You know, I would tell my story as my channel gets bigger. So please give this a like, comment, and subscribe if you want to know more about me. You want to know about greatness, because I'm very excited about this one. 2021 is going to be a great year. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have a great rest of your day. I hope you have a great Christmas. Christmas coming up. I might drop a Christmas video for y'all. But just in case y'all ain't know, I am destined for greatness. Peace.